Yeah, hello everyone, Clinton here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your C drive in your Windows 10. This actually works in your Windows 11 also. In other words, this will make your computer run faster. Without wasting much of your time, let's go into this one. Okay, the first thing you will have to do is go over to your start button and you have to right click. When you right click there, you will see this option that says run. Click on run and go ahead and search for temp. I actually have them here already because I do them once in a while. Then you click on OK. And from here, it's going to ask you, you don't have current permission to access this. You click on continue. Okay, right now we are in this part. All you have to do is just to hit your Control and A to copy everything. You can go here and check the properties. From here, you can see this is what 5 megabytes. Yours might be more. Yours might reach up to gigabytes. Okay, and then all you have to do is to go ahead and just delete it. I'm going to permanently delete mine. Okay, and this option comes up and it says I'm just gonna select skip. Okay, so once we're done with this part, go over to your start button here again, right click, and this time what you're going to search is percent, temp, and percent. This one here, I do this frequently, so I have everything here. Click on OK. It's going to bring you up to this part. Same process. Control A, right click. You can check the properties to know how many gigabytes or megabytes. Mine is just what 4 megabytes right now. I'm just going to go ahead and permanently delete. Okay. So everything now is gone. So the next thing you will have to do right now is to go over to your run again. Right click, click on run. This time you're going to search for prefetch. I have it here. Okay, so you're going to grant it access permission, continue, and from here, Control A again, check the properties. Mine is what 1 megabyte. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and permanently delete everything. Okay, do this for skip. Okay, that's everything right now. The next thing we'll have to do right now is to empty our recycle bin. But in my case, I permanently delete everything. So just, you know what to do. Go over to your recycle bin, or you can just right click and okay, my recycle bin is empty currently. So if yours is not empty, try to empty it and move over to the next step. All right, so from here, the next thing we'll have to do is to go ahead and uninstall some apps that we don't usually use all the time. So how to go about this? Go to your search bar here and search for uninstall. Okay, from here, when you search uninstall, you're going to click on add or remove programs. Go ahead and open that up, and from here you're going to see a list of all your applications on your system. You can go ahead and delete those that you don't frequently use. In my case, I will just leave mine just the way it is right now. But in your case, if you have any apps that you don't frequently use, go ahead and just discard it so you can have more space on your system. All right, we'll move over to the next step, which is optimizing our C drive. From here, we're just going to go ahead and open our file explorer. Go to this PC, and here you can see all your drives. We're focused on the C drive currently. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to right click, go over to properties, and here I'm going to go over to here that says tools. From here, I'm going to click on optimize. Make sure you select your C drive. Actually, I have only one drive on my system right now, but if you have multiple drive, make sure it's on your C drive. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead now and just click on optimize. And without wasting much time, it's running, and you see it's done. All right, the next thing we'll have to do right now is to clean our disk, which is the disk cleanup. This is very easy. All you need to do is to go over to your um your drive C here, right click it, click on properties, go over to here that says disk cleanup. When you're there, it's gonna load up and show you how many megabytes of files you can be able to clean up here. It doesn't end here. Go ahead and click on clean up system files. So when you click on clean up system files, it's gonna run through your whole process, trying to gather those files that it feels like it can actually be deleted without losing any data or stuff like that. Number one example of files under this part is like your previously installed Windows. All right, so as you can see here, it's scanning our previously Windows installation. Just gonna give it some time. All right, so after the whole process, it came up about with this stuff here. As you can see, I'm just gonna check on Windows upgrade log files. I'm gonna check on this one here. Scroll down. I'm gonna check on delivery optimization files. Is that 2 GB? Wow. Okay. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna click on this one, previous Windows installation. I actually reinstalled my Windows 10. So if you just installed your Windows 10, you should probably make sure you delete this file. Okay. I think this is pretty much everything right now. So everything was around a total of 31 gigabytes. In your case, it might be more. So after you've done all this, click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yeah, delete files. And it's gonna actually start the deleting process. It's actually gonna take a little bit time. If you clean up previously Windows installation or temporary installation files, you will no longer be able to restore the machine back to the previous version of Windows. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes, I want to do this. Okay. Once I do that, it's going to actually just go straight to the point and remove these files that I've just selected. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, go ahead, drop a like, subscribe to my channel. That's the only way you can support me. Peace out. See you guys on the next one.